If your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are not turning off automatically, they don't power off when you're not wearing them, then in this guide I'll show you how to shut down your Sony Mark 5 headphones or enable the automatic power off feature. First of all, let me show you how you can turn off your Sony headphones manually. There's two ways to do it. The first way is by using the power button of your Sony headset. You'll just need to hold down the power button for 3 seconds, then you'll see the LED light up and turn off, which means now your headphones are powered off. You can also turn off your Sony headphones using the Sony Headphones Connect app. So open the Headphones app on either your iPhone or Android device, then tap on this power icon that you see on the top right corner. Then press OK and your headphone will shut down. Your Sony headphones can also turn off automatically when not in use. And for this to work, you'll just need to enable the automatic power off feature from the Headphones app. So from the app, you'll need to go to the System tab, then scroll down to Automatic Power Off, expand the drop-down menu, then select Off when headphones are removed. Now your headphones will turn off automatically when they're not in use for 15 minutes. But you should keep in mind that if you store your headphones into the headphones pouch, then you should turn off your headphones by yourself before storing it, or else it may detect your ear inaccurately. And that's all. Now your Sony XM5 headphones will turn off automatically when not in use. Let us know if this helped, and if it did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.